Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is UDOT's Weekly Construction Update. As the temperatures are heating up, work is picking up. We have several closures to tell you about this weekend on freeways in the Salt Lake Valley. This Friday and Saturday, SR 201 will close each night starting at 9 p.m. The eastbound lanes will close Friday night, and then the westbound lanes will close on Saturday night. So plan on using I-80 instead, and avoid the I-215 West Belt and SR 201 altogether if you can. During this closure, construction crews will demolish the old northbound I-215 bridge as part of the I-215 West Belt project. And we have another big closure to tell you about on the East Bench. The I-80 exits at Foothill Drive are scheduled to close Monday morning for about 4 months, while our crews reconstruct several bridges at the interchange. Now, you'll need to be alert and plan extra time if this is your exit. There will be a detour in place, but your best bet is to plan ahead and use an alternate route to get to Foothill Drive. And then starting Monday night, there are some ramp closures near the Spaghetti Bowl that will affect drivers on I-80. The collector ramp from westbound I-80 to 2100, 1300, and 900 South, that will close for about 5 nights starting Monday at 9 p.m. To get to 2100, 1300, or 900 South from westbound I-80, you'll want to exit on State Street and use that as an alternative. Crews are closing this ramp while they continue to work on a bridge maintenance project. Now, for more information on these and all other UDOT projects, please visit our website, udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.